Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by securing your data. Back up WhatsApp to Google Drive or export chats locally so nothing is lost. Once done, enable the ability to install outside App Store packages or prepare a trusted alternative app store. Make sure you trust the files. Then download an iOS-style WhatsApp mod or an iPhone icon pack plus an iOS launcher. This gives you the assets you need. You do this first because changing visuals without a backup risks losing messages or settings. Now you perform the detailed customization. Install the iOS-themed WhatsApp APK or open your mod's theme section and import the iOS style. Then apply an iOS launcher, swap app icons with the icon pack, and install a San Francisco-like font so text spacing matches. After that, tweak chat bubbles, header layout, and select an iPhone-style emoji pack. This aligns visual elements. Make sure to restart the launcher and the app so every change is applied correctly, and finish by verifying functionality. Test voice calls, video, media sharing, and notifications, and re-grant any permissions you revoked. This ensures features still work after theming. Once satisfied, retain the original WhatsApp APK and a fresh backup so you can revert fast if the mod misbehaves or an update breaks compatibility. If something goes wrong, clear the app cache, reinstall the mod, and restore your backup. This common fix resolves most theme-induced crashes and missing messages.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.